I'm not going into the new year fighting with dust anymore. I was looking for a solution. I have an air purifier, but I wanted something that was going to help with the dust particles. And also, we have the cutest golden lab. With pets comes pet odor. Clarifion sent me a pack of 3 plug-in air ionizers. They're super easy to set up. I've been using them for a little over 2 weeks now, so I feel like I can give you a pretty fair assessment of whether this is worth it or not. Okay, so right off the bat, I love the design. It's not super big, pretty compact. Very easy to set up because all you do is plug it into the outlet. Now, what I did was I plugged it into the bottom outlet so that you still have the top one to use. Also, I like the blue light because that just lets you know that it is working. Now, I would say the biggest upside for these air ionizers is that they're almost completely silent. Okay, you will not hear these. I have one in our master bedroom, I have one in the playroom, and I also have one in the living room, and you can't hear them. All you will see is the blue light. Now, I would plug this in maybe away from, like, not facing your bed so that it doesn't disturb your sleep. But I have the one that's in our bedroom. I have it by the door, so you don't really see it. The light doesn't affect us at all. It's still really, really dark in the room. The light's not super bright at all. So after a week of using these air ionizers, I did notice a significant reduction in dust. Like, significant. I'm not dusting as often as I was, which I love. It also looks better when you don't have all of that dust. But another positive thing that I noticed was that the pet odors that we were getting, they were neutralized. I'm not combating pet odors as often as I was. I also love the fact that there isn't a filter that you need to replace. Maintenance is really, really easy. Into the company, all you need to do every 10 to 15 days is wipe it down with a microfiber washcloth or cloth. It is very efficient, energy efficient. So this little thing uses less than 1 watt of energy. You can leave them in, like I just leave them in and let them do what they're doing. So how it works is it releases this negative ion technology, which charges the dust particles and odor particles that are floating around in the air. Now, what happens is when it charges those particles, it makes them heavier. And so they settle down to the bottom of the room instead of floating around everywhere. This is really great to help combat dust and pet odors. However, I would not use these on their own. I feel like it enhances your the air purifying system or filtration system that you already have. I think that they work really good together because air purifier with a filter, a traditional air purifier, is going to get those large allergens, and that this is not going to be able to take care of. However, I do feel this significantly improved our air quality because of the dust. So overall, I'm loving these air ionizers. They're super easy to set up. They don't use a lot of energy. Maintenance is really easy. Like I said, there isn't a filter that you need to replace. You just need to wipe this down every 10 to 15 days. If you are looking for an affordable way to improve the air quality in your home, I would definitely take a look at this. It's available on Amazon. Give me a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more product reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video.